person pee on the night. Person that don't used to pee in the midnight.
So
Timon.
okay, so it's me that pee. Which one sleep with that one? So you don't piss for my chair. Jesus. Come here. You dey piss for there? Hi guys, welcome back again to my page. See guys, ignore this. I have a fever blister. Okay. So, but anyways, that's not why we're here. We're about to prank our baby girl, and I'm going to be doing you we on the couch prank. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm going to be doing you we on the couch prank. Right now she's sleeping, and I want to just go there and set my camera and then pour water on the couch and then see her reaction. It's going to be lit. Anyways, if this is the first time you're tuning in, don't forget to follow, stay hooked in this vlog, and let's go and get this done. There? Stand up now, sleep never do. Which one sleep with that one? So you don't piss for my chair. Jesus. Come here. You dey piss for there? Touch it now. Your knicker too is wet. I don't know pee. Touch it now. Which one is you don't pee? Am I lying or something? What is this one? So am I lying? That's the issue. No pee. So what happened here now? What's happening here? 14 years. I do not pee. Jesus Christ. Hey. Muna help me. Or make I call neighbors, many neighbors come to check. Go touch it. Is it not pee like this? Is it not pee like this? What's this one? When did you start this nonsense? Thank God, that is bad. Go and open it. You are dead. and see now. Come. And I'll plug it. But see now. What's this one? When did she start playing on the couch?
As big as you. It's not possible.
How is it not possible now?
And that's in pee on the couch. Person that don't need to pee in the midnight.
So,
till morning.
okay, so it's me that pee.
How can you pee?
Eh?
How can you pee? How like you?
So, or did I pour water here?
I'm running this.
Okay, this one is not important.
It's important now. You carry it now. If you pee, you carry that put on the sun to know. Put in the sun.
That's just what you say. You're not going to flog her.
Oh, let me go and come. Yeah. He's tired.
So you don't need peace for chair now. You don't need peace for chair now.
If you have me lose the gas, let me just go and come back.
Now don't even they make my prank more sweet. Guys, these people don't even make my prank sweet at all. At all. Now don't scatter my prank for me now. They did not see the camera, but my husband coming in like just made everything scattered. Because this madam now, she was now having a full confidence that he was like, I don't even know what to explain. Like, this one is not even prank, but I will post it. You cannot waste like that, because if I say I should try it again, she will know that she will know that time. That's the issue. Enjoy it. I'm gonna bring you guys the best next time, okay? Bye guys, peace out. Follow, comment, share, and like.